Vinak, and very good morning to you all. On behalf of the Fijian government and the Fijian people, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the 49th Asia-Pacific Coconut Community Ministerial Meeting. 18 member countries are represented here today, a testimony to how important the coconut industry is to our economies. It is a common resource that our rural and maritime populations rely on for both sustenance as an income earner. In fact, the value of coconut palm in a traditional society is beyond measure. A great number of households throughout the APCC member countries depend on this industry. The Fijian coconut industry was once a major source of exports. It employed thousands of rural and maritime farmers and workers and was a source of foreign exchange. In the 1950s, copra production was more than 40,000 metric tons per annum. Now, it is around 20,000 metric tons per annum. This decline has been attributed to the increase in low-yielding trees, decreasing copra prices, high production and freight costs, and the inability to adapt to and adopt changes in technology and the global market. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the potential to improve the lives of our people through the development of the coconut industry is obvious. That is why the Fijian government believes that the coconut industry needs to be supported with the appropriate and modern resources. To this end, we are planning to open a new whole nut processing facility on the island of Taveuni to act as a hands-on training center for farmers to learn about the various products and byproducts that can be processed from coconuts. We have purchased machines for this facility through the Coconut Development Program to demonstrate to farmers how, with an upfront investment, they can add value to these products. By showing them how they can increase their returns, it is our hope that this will again make coconut a more lucrative source of livelihood. Additionally, the Fijian government is planning to plant 1 million coconut trees over a period of 3 years to increase yields in the future. And I'm very happy to announce that we will launch this ambitious program during this conference. But we also recognize that we need support from the international community to help us revitalize our coconut industry. So we look to our fellow APCC member countries to learn from your experience and to benefit from your assistance. Many of you have already implemented similar initiatives and are reaping the economic benefits. Fiji is eager to follow your lead. I would like to thank Mr. Romolo Arancon, the Executive Director of the APCC, and the APCC Secretariat for all their support in hosting this event. I would also like to thank the representatives of regional and international organizations, the NGOs, and the business community for their presence here today. Your experience and expertise will greatly enrich the deliberations, and we look forward to your support in promoting the coconut industry. To all of our visitors, please take the opportunity to get out and explore our country and enjoy our world-renowned Fijian hospitality. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, I now have much pleasure in declaring the 49th Asia-Pacific Coconut Community Ministerial Meeting open. Vinaka, thank you.